So I've been asked to do this. When they turned the gas on to begin with, the cadent people, CADENT, the emergency gas people. Let's have a look. This is actually connected to there, and then that tap turns on. And each time these so-called council workers come, and it happened before when I first moved in as well, when the cameras were tampered with when Kevin lived in that block where Zelensky is, as I call him. Shane knows how to mess with the boiler, and he disconnected this. And so they came again and they've done it again. They've left this. There is a seal on there, but really that should be connected to that properly, because all that pipe work for this boiler was all brand new put in. The brand new boiler. It was all brand new. And all this pipe work, you can see it's all pretty clean, it's all pretty brand new. But that is, and I went outside to find them, and there was no van. Parked by the swimming bath. I always get suspicious when they don't park it there where the CCTV is. I get suspicious because anyone can grab a council van and stick a work uniform on and actually pose to be doing what they say they're doing. But this, see this here, the way it is, that where I can put my finger in, that's not sealed. That should actually have a cap on it. That should be capped. If that's not connected, it should actually be completely capped. Well, it's not. Do you want me to show you? Yes, please, Sharon. I ain't messing with them. That's a tap to turn it on and off. I will show you. I don't need to. I ain't messing with it. Someone's saying don't please, but that's actually not capped. It's actually got a hole in it due to the pipe work. It's turned off. Some British gas guy saying, some gas man saying, Sharon, show me everything. But they know that legally, even if that's like that and that's turned off, that this should be capped. And it's not. It's actually through. It's a hole. It's not capped at all. Which is, I can hear some boiler guy going, that's breaking every ethical rule there is on a boiler. So there you go. It's not. It hasn't been made safe. It's not a massive issue because I turn the gas off underneath the cupboards. I'm just showing you. That is tight, yeah. That's loose, that's tight there. So that's capped. So what's connected to where? Someone's asking me, the gas comes up from the bottom up through here. That's capped. Something's obviously coming up here through there. I don't know what it is. But if that's like that, that's it. It's dangerous. Not really dangerous because the gas is turned off at the bottom. But it's not ideal, is it? It's not by ideal standards. And it's not what you'd be trying to do as a plumber. the gas fitter. They left it. I think it's one. They left it in when the proper people come, they fix that properly and put it back in properly. And when these so-called council workers do it, they leave it in a dangerous situation.